How does meditation help the quality of your sleep? There are many different kinds of meditation. Ang karamihan na available sa atin ay relaxation meditation. So di nagfo-focus ka sa breath or nagfo-focus sa music, minsan sa candle. Ang nagiging effect nun sa atin ay ma-relax. Kaya hindi ka nakakatulog, ay stressed ka, and meditation helps you to relax, then it will help the quality of your sleep. Ngayon, hindi naman lahat ng problema ay masosolve ng meditation or ng isang klaseng meditation. Kasi meron ngang iba-ibang types ng meditation. Kung ang nangyayari naman sa'yo ay maraming nagbabother sa'yo ng mga thoughts, you have anxiety, you are depressed, then you might need a different kind of meditation. Meron tayong mga tinatawag na healing meditation. And meron akong magandang ginagamit for that at ito yung Just Be Free meditation na ginawa ni Master Delpe na nakakatulong sa atin to release all of our emotional baggage, all our negativities to help us be in a more aligned state. At pag nandun tayo sa state na yon, sigurado madali kayong makakatulog. If you want to find out more about it, put it on the comment and I'll send you the link. This is Dina saying, follow me for more tips on good health and sleep.
Ask Dina.